Hey everyone, got another project, but one difference here. This is a case where I knew this was beyond what I can do as a do-it-yourselfer. This needed a professional. So I want to introduce you to Ben with Kashi Electric. And what he did today was refastened this service entrance conduit for a relative's house. This is not something I felt I could do. There's a lot of hazards involved here, and if you don't do it right, it could cause a problem. So if you want to just, what did you do here?
Just well awareness, as you said. You know, they had nails from previous installation, pulling out the service conduit, which is pretty heavy. It's steel. They only had 2 straps on here originally with just nails, so nothing to secure it really properly. Nothing thread-wise holding anything back. So I kind of just doubled it up. I put 4 straps, and we just re-secured it to the structure. As you can see here, I got the guide wire support connected to the neutral with a little help of this rope as I made as a little pulley system to create the tension to pull in. As I'm going to slowly release it, you're going to see the tension expand. So now you get the support solely by the what we call like a field term here, widget, but you got your support right here connected to the house. Proactiveness on Mike's end, just kind of maybe stumbled upon it, or how he found out that this was going to be an issue, and just came by and called the right people, and just we came and fixed it. So
yeah, and yeah, so what that brings up a good point is, when you own a home, take a look around, check things every once in a while, because stuff like this was slowly happening over time, and it just happened to be where I noticed that one of the nails had actually popped all the way out. So you get a good wind, rainstorm, branch falls on the wires, that extra weight could have pulled it right off the house.
Yeah, ready to go. So good preventative maintenance here.
Yeah.
Like Mike just said, it could have been a big danger. This is your service coming into your home, so a lot of power coming in, and if there's anything that clashes or makes a connection of a short, you're gonna have big damages. So it's nice that we were able to find this beforehand. So
yeah, so definitely, Ben, thank you so much for coming and taking care of this.
You're
and yeah, just some advice for everybody, and definitely reach out to him if you're in the Brantford, Guilford area.
Everywhere, Shoreline. So
yep.
Kashi Electrical Contractors on Facebook.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, see you in the next video.